DC.
All right.
Going home.
I'm working on getting things into boxes and getting them labeled.
You finish cleaning up the lab and then you figure out how to get this stuff over.
We're cleaning up everything and getting ready to move.
Just packing up the CNC computer.
Working on helping with the lab cleaning.
I was just moving this monitor around, just getting the dust off. Right now we're working on moving all this stuff back down so that we can move them to the truck.
I've been labeling the items on the stage.
I'm helping move staff over.
I'm helping labeling the boxes and helping put them down there so they can be moved outside to wherever they're going to be moved.
Perfect. Thank you.